there. This is Isabel. Um, this is my final project for my data structures class. I have decided to work on a very basic animal shelter program using doubly linked lists that we learned on the class. So let's go ahead and run it. And here there is a welcome message, welcome to the animal shelter. And you can choose between these options. So let's add like some dogs to the system. And let's say that the dog's name is Cupid, age 2, and dog's breed, let's say that she's a husky. And then it displays another message saying that the dog has been added to the shelter. And you can go ahead and add another one. So let's choose the option 1 to add another one. And let's say that his name is Francisco. And he is 8 years old. And his breed is, he's a poodle. Great. So we have these 2 dogs in the system now. And we can display all dogs in the system with option 4. So you can see right here, Cupid and Francisco are on the system. And so let's update. Let's say that the dog came to the shelter and the age was wrong, and we have realized that Cupid's age is actually 4 years old instead of 2. So we can just put here number 2, which is update dog details. And then we're gonna enter the name of the dog that we want to update, which is Cupid. And you can see here that there is an option to skip this, so we don't necessarily have to update the age. We could update the breed, but here we're updating the age. So let's say that instead of 2 years old, she's actually 10. And here we can skip, so we're not updating her breed. She's still a husky. So there's another message here. Cupid's details have been updated. And let's also update Francisco's breed. So let's put his, let's choose the option, which is 2. And let's put his name here, Francisco. And we're gonna press enter to skip because we don't want to update the age. We actually want to update the breed. And let's say that instead of a husky, he is actually a Cavalier King Charles. And then we press enter, and here we go. Francisco's details have been updated. So now let's go ahead and display. Let's choose option 4 to display all dogs. And here, as you can see, it was all updated. So Cupid actually now is 10 years old. And Francisco now is actually a Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. So besides this, you can also delete a dog. So you can just add number 3 here. And it's gonna ask you the name of the dog that you want to delete. And let's just say that Cupid was adopted. So we're deleting her from the system. Yay. And there you go. Cupid has been adopted. So she was removed from the shelter system. So the other thing that we can do is, let me just show the display all dogs so you can see that she has been deleted. See, now the only dog there is Francisco. And besides this, you can also exit the program. I'm just gonna show you that if you by mistake or you just don't know how to use the system and you don't add like the numbers, maybe you are adding a letter, it's gonna give you an error saying that that's an invalid choice, and it's gonna ask you to enter a valid option, which is a number. And then finally, we can also just exit the system, which we can just press 5 and it exits the program. Yeah, that's it for my project. Thank you for watching. Bye.